2 years ago, the government signed a deal with Rwanda. The plan to hand asylum seekers who come to the UK by crossing the Channel a one-way ticket to Kigali. The 5-year agreement would mean people could get refugee status in the Central African country or be sent on to another safe third country. The government says this would be a deterrent for illegal migration and, in their words, stop the boats. But no asylum seeker has yet been sent to Rwanda. The first flight was supposed to take off in June 2022, but it was dramatically cancelled on the runway after last-minute legal challenges. Now, campaigners have branded the scheme cruel. The Supreme Court found it was unlawful. It said genuine refugees would be at risk of being returned to their home countries where they could face harm. Now, that breaches the European Convention on Human Rights, which prohibits torture and inhumane treatment. The ruling also pointed to Rwanda's poor human rights record. Now, to sidestep the Supreme Court judgment, Rishi Sunak introduced emergency legislation which essentially declared that Rwanda was a safe country. This would prevent further court challenges under UK domestic law. The UK government also signed a new treaty with Rwanda, which it says guarantees anyone sent there would not be sent back to their home country. Now, a lot has been said about the cost of the scheme. The government says it's already spent £290 million. Whitehall's spending watchdog has said it could soar to £500 million, plus hundreds of thousands more for each person deported. Could there be more delays? Well, yes, campaigners and individuals could try to take the government to court again. UN experts have warned that airlines involved in the scheme could be held responsible for any violations of international human rights rules. And Labour have said that if they come to power, they would drop the scheme altogether. Rishi Sunak has categorically promised to put an end to boat crossings altogether with his clear catchphrase. Will it work and stop the boats? No one knows. When, if ever, will any flights take off? Well, he's already admitted he won't hit his target of the spring. He's now talking about July. Will that promise turn to reality? Let's see.